Hello, everyone, and welcome to Geeked Out Collecting, where we apply financial and investing principles to our favorite hobby collectibles like Fortnite, Magic the Gathering, Pokemon cards, all of that stuff, you name it, we do it for it all. And today I wanted to do something a little bit different for this video because recently I actually released a new calculator on my Profit Calculator website. So I wanted to go through this calculator, what you can use it for, how to use it, all that jazz. So stay tuned. All right, so for today, what I want to go through and demo for you here is a BGS calculator. And what it does is it takes the 4 different category subgrades and it replicates BGS's algorithm to calculate the final grade, which is very, very cool. This has been pretty strenuously tested, and we were able to pop up the numbers each and every time, which is really great and very awesome. So this is really helpful because if you're in the process of sending some BGS cards or some cards to BGS and you wanted to do a little pre-grading just to see, how the card looks to you and what that final grade would be if it was graded exactly the same, you can actually put your approximations in here and then it will give you those estimations for you. So what I wanted to do today, it's obviously a very straightforward calculator. I just want to demo it with 2 different cards that I have here. I have a vintage Pokemon card and then a modern Pokemon card. And just as a side note, this calculator works on any of the different categories of cards that BGS grades for. So whether it's sports cards, whether it's Magic the Gathering, whether it's Fortnite, whether it's Pokemon, all that stuff, it will still work in the same expected way. So I say, hey, if you want to give this calculator a run, give it a challenge. We'll see how it performs, but I can expect it to perform very, very well. So let's dive right into the 2 different Pokemon cards that I wanted to demo for you today. So the first one that I have is a vintage Pikachu, Yellow Cheeks, first edition. For this one, it came out as a near mint, so 8.5 with centering at a 9.5, corners at an 8, edges at a 9.5, and surface 9.5. So let's go ahead and put that in really quickly. All right, and what I'll do is I'll just press calculate grade. Boom, we get our 8.5 grade. Perfect. So now I'm going to start over and it'll reset the calculator. I'm going to now move on to our shiny Charizard V. Excellent. We have a 9.5 gem mint card. So centering is a 9.5, corners at a 9.5, edges at a 10, and then surfaces at a 10. So let's go ahead and put that in. All right, calculating the grade, and we get another 9.5, just as we got for the actual card itself. So obviously it is very straightforward and it will work as expected. Just as a note though, obviously it will only work as well as you can grade your subcategories, your subgrades, based on how BGS does it. So that's always going to be the real factor here, but put it up against any BGS cards that you have subgrades for, and it will pop in the exact final grade that you have on that card. So anyways, I hope this is something that's helpful to you. If you have any feedback on it or want to report any bugs, of course, just let me know. Hit me up. You know where to find me. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I will talk to you later. Take it easy.